How to boost FPS and fix lag in Puppy Playtime. So to improve the FPS in Puppy Playtime, you need to start by lowering the game's resolution and graphical settings such as the shadows and textures. So first thing you want to do is try lowering the in-game settings. So reduce the screen resolution from 1920 times 1080 to 2080 times 720 pixels. Then you might want to adjust the graphic settings. So turn down the settings like the shadow quality, texture quality, and VFX quality to low or medium. Then, you want to disable the anti-aliasing because anti-aliasing smooths out jagged edges but can be a performance hog. Then you want to turn off motion blur and bloom. These effects can also impact the FPS. Then you want to check the FPS limit, make sure the game's FPS isn't capped at a low value. And that's how you can basically on the in-game settings. So for the PC optimizations, you need to update your graphics driver. So outdated drivers can cause performance issues. You need to also enable the game mode if you're on Windows 10 and 11, which has a game mode that prioritizes the system resources for gaming. And if you want, you need to optimize the Windows settings as well. Adjust the power options to high performance and disable unnecessary background processes. And you might want to consider upgrading your hardware, like upgrading your graphics card, RAM, or storage to an SSD for better performance. And then you want to close unnecessary programs like Google tabs or browser tabs that are running in the background. And then lastly, you want to defrag or optimize your disk. So if you're using a traditional HDD, defragmenting it can help improve load times and performance and fix lag. And that's how you can basically boost FPS and fix lag in Puppy Playtime.